Today I'm going to show you a quick and easy way to use formulas in Notion. So when you want to use a formula, it's literally so simple. So what we're going to do is we're going to tap in over here where we would like to actually create our formula. So we're going to hit the slash and we are going to add in a database. Now what you need to do is use the database inline. Okay, so you're going to click on this, it'll open this up, and over here we are going to look for new properties. So we're going to add properties over here, and you're going to add in a number value, for example. Okay, so this will only accept numbers. And then you are going to add in another number property, for example, and then you are going to add in your formula. So right over here, click on add properties and come down here and look for formula. Okay, so now this is very, very simple. It can be simple. It can also be complicated. So we are going to call this costing, and we are going to set this number over here, but not as number, but we are going to set this as cost price. We are going to set this one over here as selling price. So selling price over here, and basically what I want is I'm going to add in the value of an item, the cost of an item, and then I'm going to add in the formula. So in over here, we are going to click in over here, and now we need to add the formula. Now, if you're unfamiliar with creating a formula, it's actually very simple. Notion's AI will help you do everything. So basically what I'm going to say is cost price plus 65% equals selling price, and just hit the send to AI. Now this literally is the most simple way you can do it. You're going to speak in just a regular, normal, human, natural language. It puts this in here for you. Now if you are able to actually put that in, you can do that yourself, but this is way easier. Go ahead, close this up, and you'll see right over here the cost price and the formula. So if you go ahead and you put this in, your selling price is going to be 1.65, and there it is. So your cost price will react with your formula, and it'll give you your selling price. And that is a great way of using formulas within Notion.